So I have a couple of friends coming over for a little barbecue that I'm hosting, and I went on Facebook Marketplace and to see if I can buy a little table, like a patio table, but it was gonna cost me $500, $500 to $400. So I said to myself, you know what? I can make that table for half the price. So we're gonna make a table and some benches to sit. It's gonna be here, where everybody's gonna be hanging out, having a good time. So this is what it's gonna look like. Gotta live in this moment real quick. Jeez, this is sick. Come on, don't die on me right now. It won't make sense, I think. Wrong with your gas. Oh yeah, it's not going anywhere. Do you have a hose anywhere? Yeah, there's a hose in it. Oh shit. Okay, maybe you're right. Having no hose is perfect. This is the fun part, Veggie Man.